This is a review of my first attempt at, I think it's called winter gardening or milk jug gardening. I use distilled water jugs because we do a lot of humidification when we use distilled water for that. So I'm going to go through what I planted, the date I planted it, and what I ended up with. Back on March 9th, today is May 14th, Saturday. So back on March 9th, I planted Asclepias syriaca milkweed. I did like 4 jugs of that. And as you can see, there it is. All these jugs I probably should have processed last week or so, but as you can see it. I have stuff growing in there. And this jug here, same. Got some stuff growing in there, pretty. I'm trying to attract butterflies, so this is the one method I'm using this year. I started those that way. I did sow some seeds out into the yard, but haven't seen a lot going on there. This one, notice that I'm sealing these with duct tape all the way around because that's what all the videos showed. I changed that method later on. This was Echinacea, powwow, wildberry, and I got this alien orange crap and no germination, so did something wrong there, I guess. Another one, see that? It's alien growth of some sort. I guess some kind of mold. This is Echinacea, powwow, wildberry. So now, I got a little bit of that orange crap, but I got 2 germinating, and these are in called fertile pots, F-E-R-T-I-L, not peat pots. And these are in, they're all in fertile pots. I think it's made from trees, and it breaks down real well. So I tried those pots this year. So of all those 8 or 9 that I had in those jugs, I got germination out of 2. Where the red alien mold didn't start, I had a little germination, so I might be able to salvage those. Rudbeckia Sputnik, I got some germination out of that, as you can see. And then this is more Rudbeckia Sputnik, got some germination there. Now notice with this jug, I'm just using a little, I cut a little plastic tab down here, right there. A plastic tab, and just put a little piece of duct tape. I slide it on like that, put the little duct tape. It's a lot easier to work with than putting that tape clear around. So Glardy Indian Blanket, got a little bit of germination. I'll try to plant those. Livingstone Daisy, got some results there. Nicotiana, however you say it, Bronze Queen, the poisonous one. Got some germination. And I also planted these in other trays and other methods. Purple comb flower. Got some germination with that. I'll transplant that. Coreopsis Incredible Dwarf Mix. Got some response there. Phlox, Lavender Beauty. Got some response there. And 2 lettuces. Gully's Favorites. I got nothing. And this lettuce, I left it in too long. And it's too hot. But anyway, this was a red salad baby lettuce, and maybe I can salvage this, maybe not. That looks pretty bad. Anyway, so that is my result, are my results from my first year of doing gallon jug gardening. There you go. I'm not sure if I'll do this again next year or not. I may do it and make some adjustments so I maybe can have some more success. And there you go. Goodbye.